In this video, we'll be having a look at the gallery block. A gallery block is a set of gallery cards which have an image, a title, a description, and some buttons. You can swipe the gallery cards left or right to view the entire gallery. To add a gallery block to our bot, go to the gallery part and drag it here. Here we have a gallery card where we need to add the image URL, the title, the description, and a few buttons, which are similar to the buttons we can add in an image block. Let's get started by adding a few gallery cards. Here I'll need to add an image URL, so I have my images ready here. I'll just get the links to all of them. So this is the first image of an ice cream. I'll add in the URL here. Wait for the image to show up here. Click on crop. Crop the image as required. And hit save. I'll add in its title. This is an ice cream, so I'll put in ice cream. And in the description, I'll put in eat some ice cream. And I'll add a button which says eat ice cream or get this. Okay, so now once that's reflected here, I'll click outside the box and I'll add another gallery card. So in this gallery card, I'll have an image of a cake. Put in the title cake, a description of have some cake, and here I'll add a I'll add a button which says get this. I'll add more gallery cards, put in more images that I already have. Hamburger, and the description I'll have this burger, and a button which says eat this or get it. It's extremely important that you edit this and then you place it in some other input field so that it gets saved and it's shown here. Else it'll happen like this, the input won't get saved. Get this. So if I click directly outside, it won't get saved. For this to get saved, I need to first type in get this, and then I'll need to click on some other input field so that it's updated here, and once it's updated here, it will be saved automatically. So this is something which you need to keep in mind. Okay, so I have a gallery card here which will show this image of a lemonade, and it will say, see, until and unless this image appears, you won't be able to edit this, and even if you do, the what's typed in this will disappear. So I'll type it again, lemonade, and here get some lemonade. And here I'll add a button which says get this. And I'll click outside, see it appear here, waited for it to save, and click outside. So now I have a gallery with all these 4 blocks. Now I need to connect it to some other block. So from here, take care, I'll say talk text. I'll have a text block which says food can make you feel better, right? Because he's not feeling good. So we'll say take care, food can help you feel better. And once that's said, it will show a link, it will show this gallery block. And after this, user can press any of these buttons and this will say, all of them will show the same text block. Now you will feel good. So this is how we add a gallery block to a bot. I'll do a quick demo. I'll hit run to deploy this bot on the Facebook Messenger, and I'll click test in Facebook to ensure that this bot is working fine. So I'll need to trigger the start skill, which is the skill in which this entire all these blocks are. So I'll trigger it by /start. Once I do that, this penguin image will be shown, hi how are you will be shown, and I'll be given an option to select either of these quick replies. I'm not good, and then this section should be shown, take care, food can help you feel better, and this gallery card. Okay, have some ice cream, cake, lemonade, hamburger. Okay, I'll have some lemonade. It's really hot in here, so I'll have some lemonade, and this should be shown exactly like shown here. So this was the really short video for the gallery block. In the next lecture, we'll be reformatting or restructuring this really small bot to make it look simpler. See you in the next lecture. Goodbye.